Look here. If you also face a build failed issue while building an APK in Android Studio, and the log shows manifest merger failed, the actual reason for this is the Android test manifest. So if you see this exact error in your log, it means you need to update your Android unit test library. To solve this problem, open your build.gradle file and go to the dependencies section. Locate the test xunit dependencies and simply update them. That should fix the issue. Finally, sync the project and build it again. Hopefully, there won't be any more build failed errors. As you can see, the APK has been successfully built.